Today I'm sharing 7 of my bathroom organization essentials as I declutter our cabinets and drawers. Some areas were getting a little messy and I really wanted to reorganize and make sure that we're giving each of our belongings a home. And I also wanted to focus on creating a system so that we're more mindful about what we're using and we don't forget where things go. I think I've mentioned this in almost all of my organization videos, but visibility is really key when it comes to organization. It is so important to be able to see where things are so that you don't spend too much time or energy trying to figure out where to place things, and so that you're also reminded to use them. Which is why the first essential on my list are these drawer organizers. These are perfect for keeping things separate in your drawers, and I also love that they come with these sticker soles to prevent them from sliding around. It's nice to finally have a place for our everyday essentials like our toothpaste and floss instead of having them out on top of our vanity. And I also like that if we ever have guests over and they need something, I can tell them exactly which drawer to check. My second essential is this cleaning caddy. I love this because it dual functions both as a storage space for all of my cleaning essentials, but also as a bucket that I can carry around with me as I'm cleaning different parts of our home. So my fiance Jason and I are over a foot apart in height, and he naturally gravitates towards the top shelf when it comes to storing things away, whereas I will reach for right below the sink. There's been times when I'll ask him if we have more of something because I just can't reach or see that top shelf. And so this time around, I decided to consolidate all of our extra bulk supplies into one area with this stand organizer. I was really happy with how much fit on the stand and how we were able to really maximize the vertical space beneath our sink. My favorite part is that this also comes with little hooks and accessories so that you can really customize and make the most use of it. Regular old bins are a huge essential for me. I use one to store all of our medicine and lay everything down so that each thing is visible. And like the cleaning caddy, I like that if someone is ever needing something or if there is an emergency, I have everything contained in here and I can just pull out the bin for us to look through. Here's another bin that I love. This one's got dividers and I use this as my little nail station. Again, I can store it all in here, it's all contained, but I can also carry the bin with me to the living room where I can Netflix and do nails. While organizing, I went through all of my makeup products and got rid of some things that were either expired or that I hadn't touched in forever. I'm slowly trying to be more minimal with what makeup products I own, which is why I love these organizers. They make it easy to keep things categorized, and I think I have just the right amount of organizers that I need in my life, so it's a nice way to know to only buy something new if I have extra room for it. Speaking of makeup, I also tried out this new cleaning pad to wash my makeup brushes and found it to be so satisfying. I used to clean them by brushing them against the palm of my hand with a gentle face wash, but that would irritate my skin, so this cleaning pad is game changer for me and I had to include it in this video as an essential even though it's more of a cleaning one versus an organization one. Lastly, we've got our Lazy Susans. I use mine for my everyday skincare products, and I love that it prevents me from knocking things over when I'm grabbing them, and it allows me to easily see what I have. So I found this one at TJ Maxx, and I really wanted to get another one for Jason, but they didn't have an additional one, except they had this deeper one, which ended up working better for his stuff because they're a little bigger. And that is it for my 7 essentials. I'm loving how everything now has a home, and reorganizing was a really good way to check in on my consumption habits and understand what I don't or want to buy anymore. I'll be sure to include links to everything that I shared down in the description box below. And if you found this video to be helpful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more home decor and lifestyle content from me, then subscribe to this channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.